Hi, I'm Elena from Elena Kane Yoga, and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about my 3 favorite sitting down poses you can do for your hips. So you can practice these on your own at home in maybe a flow or vinyasa class, maybe just by themselves, or maybe in a more yin-like manner. So we're going to get right into it. My first one is a butterfly pose. So you're springing the soles of the feet together, knees are coming out. Try to bring those heels in as close as possible. It's going to work more of your inner groin. If you take them out, it's going to work more of this outer hip. So I guess it's up to you and how you want to practice that. But just find a nice tall spine. Maybe have the hands around the ankles and just start to fold forward. And stay here, or if you want to work on the back and the spine, you can round down. If you just want a quick stretch, you can do this for a few nice deep breaths. If you want it to be more yin-like, hold it here for a few minutes, so 3 to 5 minutes here. All right, so you just come back up nice and slowly. So that's the first pose. The second one is just a seated pigeon pose. So if pigeon is very challenging for you, you can do it seated. And so I'll turn to the side so you can see it here. So we're just going to bring that left foot on the ground with the knee coming up. We're going to cross that right foot over and just use your hands behind you to kind of push yourself up, and you're going to feel that nice pull in the back of the hip. Just breathe here. Again, if you want to do it more yin-like, hold it for a few moments. If not, this is just a great one to do maybe after work or a long day to stretch out those hips. And then when you're ready, just switch sides, so cross over the leg and sink into it. And just unhook them, and we'll do one more pose. So this is shoelace pose, really great one for the hips. So start with both feet out in front of you. We're going to cross that right foot over the left. So this is step 1. If maybe the full shoelace doesn't work for you, you can start to fold forward here, or you hook that left foot around. So you can either be parallel to the mat, or you can have the legs maybe hooked in a little bit. Just depends on how your body is made. And you might prop yourself up to be a little more comfortable in it. You might feel it here already just with a tall spine, but you can fold forward if you'd like. Again, maybe just doing it for a few nice deep breaths, or holding it for time, breathing into it. And when you're ready, just coming back out and switching sides. So this time left leg crosses over the right. So step 1, if you want to just come into it like that, or you hook that right foot. And so you can fold forward if you'd like and hold it here, sinking into those hips. And you can rise back up when you're ready. Feel free to try those out at home. Those are really, really great ones that are easily accessible from a seat. Thank you for watching. Be sure to leave me any comments or feedback you have below. Hit subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you next time.